Before I continue, I would like to express my profound pro. Sorry, my profound gratitude for the invitation that was extended to us, my partner and myself, to be part of this special occasion. Not only to be on this island, but to experience the beauty and the friendly people that are living on this island. I am very grateful to be here and address you. My name is Alfredo Doorenkamp, and I'm a portrait painter from Holland. I felt very honored to be addressed by the cabinet of the governor with the assignment to make a beautiful portrait painting from the governor. This painting is not a painting that is just a portrait. It has a very deep story. The governor, he thought about everything, every single detail he thought through. That's why I could have recognized that he is a person that knows what he wants.